Hello YouTube, today we have insane colors as you can see because I ordered two light bulbs. Oh, the glass, what happened to the glass? Two light bulbs that is $70 each, and they're supposed to be flicker free, but I see that the colors are like changing stuff here, so I'm not sure if my camera can work with those kind of lights. Anyways, so we got today LG Gram 17Z990-R AAS7U. The thing you need to be aware of is there are a whole bunch of jacks like that out there. The only thing is the ones I had in stock had the polarity reversed. So this was a minus and this was a plus. For this connector, this should be a plus and this should be a minus. So before you're gonna shove any connector that fits in there, make sure you're gonna get the connector that has this black piece right here, just like this one. I found it online. This is the only one I had to order it. I don't have it in stock, so in case you're gonna have exactly the same model and you decide to send us the motherboard for the repair, you need to, sorry, the autofocus was misbehaving. You need to send us an email and let me know that this is this in this video, and in this video I told you that if you're sending this motherboard, I need you to tell me to buy that part so that by the time the board comes here, the part comes in here, all right? Because I don't have this part in stock and I use someone else's pen here. Anyways, so let me show you how to remove this connector from the motherboard. I don't see any issues with the connector, but since it's here, I figured I might as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some leaded base solder to the connector points right there, and the leaded base solder gonna mix with the unleaded base solder, and using hot air, I would be able to drop the connector from the motherboard. Let's switch to the chambering, to the soldering chamber. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is add some flux to the soldering points. Then add some here is where I'm adding some solder to the soldering joints. Here, just a little bit of hot air to penetrate the soldering joints. All right, so it seems like we didn't want to solder all the way. You see how well it's soldered on the right hand side, but not so much on the left hand side? Right there, you see, it didn't penetrate all the way through here. It's soldered on the other side, but it's not that great here. So what needs to be done, this is plus, this is perfect. So again, when you're looking at the board, this should be the plus, all right? This should be the ground. This plus is going right here, the ground is going right there, all right? Okay. So let me solder it like that. And this is a tiny little soldering iron that should basically just bring enough solder to the pad. All right. But you see, it still needs to get soldering on the other side as well. Right here. Right there. All right, so this is beautiful now. This is beautiful. Good job. Let's see the other side. Beautiful. All right, so if you got exactly the same issue, where you have to wiggle jiggle the plug to make the LG system work, send it over this way. I will replace the connector. No big deal. Just text first to make sure I'm gonna get the item before the motherboard gonna show up. I don't know what, let's take a look right there. Oh, I'm not sure about the front side, hold on. Yeah, that doesn't look amazing to me. Let me fix it up one more time right here. All right. And just the solder should be on both sides, the pad and the leg. All right, like that. Good job. Oh, I just scratched it a bit, but it's no big deal. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. All right, you see how colors are misbehaving here? Like my hands are all red. Even though this light is $70, this one is also $70. And what am I supposed to do with this kind of coloration? Anyways, brand new connector. Old connector I'm gonna send to the client. Please leave a like, subscribe, and you guys take care and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.